My first round of slash drivers, slash mod drivers. You guys are up next. This one is an 8-minute qualifier. They got enough gas in here to run 30 minutes. Rusty first lap, we come in with a 38.6. Hector come across with a 53 flat. Rusty was 37. Rusty just having too much fun. There's a bicycle over in the corner. They're going to come around and get on top for a second time around. First time with the 53 flat. This time to beat up a little bit, coming in at 41.5. With a minute 45 down, guys. 1:45 down. First class slash mod. You guys are up next. First class of slash mods up next. That time was to come in with a 40.7. Timing that line. Hector's last lap was a 41.5. This time comes in with a 44 flat. 2.5 minutes down, guys. 5.5 to go. Rusty combined with a 38.1. Tightening up each time it goes around. Gets a little hung up on the pipe. Hector's still wanting to drive the old course. Three down, guys. 5 to go. 3 down.